The Supreme Court increased presidential powers with a ruling limiting nationwide injunctions in a case brought to the court because of an executive action on birthright citizenship. It's a win for the Trump administration and the president, who has frequently criticized federal judges. National correspondent Matt Gulka reports from Washington.
The president took a victory lap.
It's a giant, and they should be very proud, and our country should be very proud of the Supreme Court today.
Notching a win in his battle with district courts and judges who have stepped in to block or limit his executive actions. A 6-3 ruling from the conservative majority Supreme Court limited the power district courts have to issue nationwide injunctions that affect the entire country. Instead, relief appears to now only apply to people who bring the lawsuit.
The judges have tried to seize the executive branch's power, and they cannot do that. No longer. No longer.
Justice Amy Coney Barrett wrote in the majority opinion, universal injunctions were conspicuously non-existent for most of the nation's history. She cited the 25 universal injunctions against Trump executive orders in his first 100 days this year, while noting that almost every major action taken at the end of the Biden administration was immediately frozen by a federal district court. Different Trump orders, ranging from immigration to downsizing government and firing federal employees, had all been taken to court and faced various pauses or delays.
I think nationwide injunctions are now dead after today's ruling by the Supreme Court.
The court did not address the legality of birthright citizenship. A Trump executive order looked to end it before it was blocked nationwide by a federal judge. In a dissenting opinion, Justice Sonia Sotomayor called it gamesmanship that the Trump DOJ wasn't asking the high court to rule on birthright citizenship, but instead to curb the ability for federal judges to check executive power. She wrote, "It asks this court to hold that, no matter how illegal a law or policy, courts can never simply tell the executive to stop enforcing it against anyone." There's now a 30-day waiting period before the birthright citizenship ban executive order takes effect, but it's possible a patchwork set of lawsuits can still delay it until the Supreme Court likely decides the issue next year. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.
Thank you so much, Matt. And with the future of birthright citizenship now under the spotlight, law experts tell Action News it would take an unprecedented move to overrule the nation's 14th Amendment.
The Supreme Court only took the issue up as far as the nationwide injunction under the Judiciary Act of 1789, and that's all it's deciding. Constitutionally, based on everything that we know so far, the Constitution is super clear on birthright citizenship. It would take something really extraordinary to change that definition. It's just a matter of how do we reach that conclusion and what's the remedy that a district court can provide.
Chin goes on to say the Supreme Court could make a decision this year if rushed, but anticipates a ruling is more likely to occur next year. Birthright citizenship automatically makes anyone born in the United States an American citizen, including children born to mothers who are in the country illegally. Trump's order would deny citizenship to US-born children of people who are in the country illegally or temporarily.